If you're looking for an all-in-one cookware solution that simplifies your kitchen experience while offering top-notch performance, this Our Place Perfect Pot is your answer. This 5.5-quart nonstick ceramic saucepan combines innovative features, elegant design, and versatile functionality, making it a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Whether you're boiling, baking, frying, roasting, or braising, this pot offers an impressive range of capabilities that are bound to elevate your cooking game. Let's dive deep into the features, benefits, and why the Our Place Perfect Pot is the only cooking companion you'll need. Read on to discover how this one-pot wonder can transform your kitchen routine and take your culinary skills to the next level. Versatility, like no other. 8-in-1 functionality. The first thing that stands out about the Our Place Perfect Pot is its 8-in-1 versatility. With this single pot, you can effortlessly perform a variety of cooking techniques. 1. Boil. Perfect for making pasta, soups, or boiling vegetables. 2. Bake. Use it for baking casseroles or even desserts. 3. Fry. Enjoy crispy fried food without needing a separate fryer. 4. Roast. Roast vegetables or meats to perfection. 5. Braise. Ideal for slow-cooking meats for tender, juicy results. 6. Strain. The built-in strainer allows you to drain liquids from pasta or vegetables quickly and easily. 7. Serve. The pot's elegant design makes it perfect for serving dishes directly at the table. 8. Store. It doubles as a storage container, making meal prep and leftovers convenient. Toxin-free ceramic coating. Cook with confidence. When it comes to cookware, safety is a top priority. The Our Place Perfect Pot features an exclusive ceramic non-stick coating that is free from harmful chemicals such as PFAS, PTFEs, PFOAs, lead, and cadmium. This makes it not only a safer option for your health, but also an eco-friendly choice for your home. The non-stick surface ensures food slides off effortlessly, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter and making cleanup a breeze. You can cook with confidence, knowing that no harmful toxins are being released during the cooking process. Oven-safe and stovetop-to-oven cooking. The Our Place Perfect Pot is designed for versatility in the kitchen. It's safe for use on all stovetops, including induction cooking, and is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can easily transition from stovetop cooking to oven roasting or braising without worrying about switching pots. The heat distribution is even and efficient, making it perfect for all your stovetop-to-oven recipes. From searing meats on the stove to finishing them off in the oven, this pot is designed to perform at the highest level. Innovative lid design for enhanced cooking efficiency. The lid of the Our Place Perfect Pot is not just any lid. It features a self-basting, steam-release design, which allows the pot to continually self-baste your food as it cooks. This unique lid ensures that moisture is locked in and evenly distributed, creating delicious, tender meals. The built-in strainer also means you can drain pasta, vegetables, or other foods directly from the pot without the need for a separate colander. This feature saves time, reduces kitchen clutter, and enhances your cooking efficiency. Lightweight yet durable construction. Despite its generous size and impressive features, the Our Place Perfect Pot weighs only 4.5 pounds, making it much lighter than traditional Dutch ovens or other large pots. This lightweight design makes it easier to handle, whether you're stirring, serving, or transferring it from the stovetop to the oven. It's built for everyday use and durable enough to withstand years of cooking, all while remaining manageable for cooks of all skill levels. Perfect size for family meals. With a 5.5-quart capacity and 10.5 inches in diameter, this pot is the perfect size for cooking meals large enough to serve your family or guests. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew, braising meat, or making a large batch of soup, this pot is spacious enough to handle it all. The deep sides allow for larger quantities, ensuring everyone gets a generous portion of your delicious creations. Final thoughts. Why choose the Our Place Perfect Pot? The Our Place Perfect Pot is more than just a piece of cookware. It's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen and enhance their cooking experience. From its 8-in-1 functionality to its toxin-free coating and elegant design, this pot provides everything you need to cook efficiently, healthily, and deliciously. Its versatile performance, combined with innovative features like the self-basting lid and built-in strainer, sets it apart from other cookware on the market. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.